You've heard this before. Kids watch too much TV. Well, there's new research that shows the problem is only getting worse. However, an Albuquerque doctor has written new guidelines that change doctors' visits and hopefully kids' viewing habits. It looks like a routine doctor's visit, but some of the questions you might not have heard before.
Not all of your time in front of the screen is in front of the TV, right? So you're doing some computer time too?
Yeah.
The American Academy of Pediatrics has just issued new guidelines asking pediatricians to start tracking media history with young people by asking two questions.
How much TV or media screen time does the child spend per day? And is there a TV set or internet connection in the bedroom?
Dr. Vic Strasburger from UNM Medical School wrote the guidelines in an attempt to get kids away from the television, computers, and other forms of media entertainment. A study released this week by Nielsen found that the amount of time kids spend watching TV is at an all-time high. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, children between 8 and 18 are spending more than 6 hours a day using entertainment media.
I'm supposed to do it for about 3 hours, but sometimes I usually start around 4, so that's probably like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 6 hours.
Okay.
14-year-old Justin Upshaw is one of those teens. Justin's mom, Julie, admits it's too much.
During school time, we have a 7 o'clock rule. They're not supposed to turn on the TV or video games until after 7, and which worked well when they went to bed at 9, but now they're older. Stay up a little later.
Julie worried about the impact since Justin was very young, and Dr. Strasburger says she has good reason to be worried.
There are now good data that the media have an impact on virtually every concern that parents and pediatricians have about kids, whether it's sex, drugs, obesity, school performance, eating disorders, suicide, aggressive behavior. The media play a role.
The questions are designed to get kids thinking and off the couch.
So that was going to be my next question. What other things do you think, I mean, if you're going from 4 o'clock to like 10 o'clock watching some sort of TV or movie or something, what other things do you think you can do?
Sometimes I go out and ride my bike, go to the park.
Good.
When my cousin was here, we played basketball a lot, and we went on like a mile hike from some kind of place to the Rio Grande.
Pediatricians hope they'll hear more answers like that from kids, and parents will take a more active role in helping kids follow up with action. Now, the study encourages parents to avoid screen media of any type for infants or toddlers younger than 2 years. Altogether, it says there have been no studies to indicate that TV or computer time contributes to an infant's development.